The BioCircle PROLAQ system has been developed for the cleaning of varnishing tools and varnish application systems. It minimizes VOC contamination. In most cases, paint and varnish residues are still removed using volatile thinner that evaporates fast and is saturated with varnish residues, which makes frequent topping up necessary. For this, staff have to wear PPE, such as respirator masks and gloves. The PROLAQ system comes to the rescue. The cleaning solutions and devices are made to be perfectly compatible and can be combined freely. Staff don't need respirator masks, and suction at the workplace isn't necessary. In comparison with conventional systems, the PROLAQ system clearly scores with its cleaning performance and efficiency. The cleaning performance of conventional solvents will decrease sharply within a short period of time. Accordingly, the thinner will have to be replaced with fresh thinner quite frequently. The PROLAQ system offers constantly high cleaning performance over a long period of time. Continuous topping up becomes obsolete. During the development of the cleaners, in addition to VOC reduction and sustainability, great store was set by removing common varnishing systems while making the cleaning process more efficient. With its unique technology, PROLAQ L facilitates clean and fast sedimentation of varnish residues. Its sophistication is in the inner structure. The ingenious interplay of sedimentation and filtration is leveraged for processing recycling the liquid. After the coarser pre-filter, another separation of the particles and suspended solids from the cleaning fluid occurs in the low turbulence sedimentation basin. Subsequently, the next fraction will be separated by the downstream fine filter, and the reprocessed fluid will again be available in the cycle. Using the fluid several times will result in saving costs, waste, and resources. The VOC concentration at the workplace will be reduced considerably. The varnisher can concentrate fully on their core competence.